In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Assistant isn't available for this account problem on Android. This usually happens with work or school accounts, restricted settings, or Assistant being disabled on your device. So first head over to the Google app, and if you're using a work or school account, Google Assistant may be restricted. So from here, make sure that you are logged in to your personal Google account. Now, on the same app, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, next is click on Settings. From here, just click on Google Assistant and make sure Assistant is turned on. You can try configuring settings in this page, such as voice match. And here, you can simply toggle this Hey Google on to make sure that Assistant is turned on. Now head back to the previous page and click on Languages. From here, set Assistant Language to English. And lastly is head over to Play Store and update your Google app. The last fix that you can do is by restarting your phone and try again later. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!